Hello and welcome. Today we are just going to go over how our D2L site works and how to do your assignments and where to find all the information. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a look at your courses. You're going to go ahead and jump to our course. All our courses work roughly the same way. And once here, you're going to follow the link to content. Everything we do happens in the content area. So you'll notice that the course is set up week by week, so everything will be lined up there. First things first, there is the introduction folder where you will find the syllabus and the assignment guide. The syllabus gives you all the legalese for the course, including the textbook that you need and all the rest of that. The assignment guide is what we're going to need to do all of our assignments. So if we take a look at something like week 1, you're going to see that you have a couple of Friday assignments. There's a survey and a values assessment. Now if we go ahead and we click on the values assessment, we'll notice that it just takes us to a place to go ahead and upload our file. But what exactly is supposed to be in our file? Well, that's why you go to the assignment guide. Now, the assignment guide will give you all the information on everything, and you can just go ahead and control-click on anything, and it should just go ahead and take you there. You are going to, for each assignment, see why it is that we're doing it, and then you're going to get the instructions on how to do it, and that will be followed with what will lose you points on the assignment so you know what to avoid. So in this case, the assignment 1 is laid out in terms of what it is that you're supposed to do, and that's about it. And then, there's the assignment 2, which is due the week after, all the rest of that. And then there's the how do you lose points. Same thing happens if we move up to, let's say, the quizzes. There's an explanation of how many of these you have, what their value is, why it is that we're going to do it, how it is that you're going to do it, and what will lose you points. And again, this is true of every single assignment that we have. Occasionally, and I believe this is only the case for the new survey assignments, you also have this survey questions bit that's above the survey itself. So you're going to go ahead and open this. In fact, you're going to download it. You're going to fill it out according to the instructions, and then you're going to follow the link to survey 1, and you're going to upload that file. As for other things, if we go over to week 2 and every subsequent week, you're going to notice that there is a quiz that is attached to this. Now, the quiz is going to be on all of the content for the week. So that will be all the readings for Monday and all the readings for Wednesday. Now, why do we have this split between Monday and Wednesday? Well, because that's when the classes are, and you should expect that on Monday we're going to talk about this content, and then on Wednesday we're going to talk about the Wednesday content. The quiz covers all of it, so you do one quiz to cover the entire week. Now, when are the quizzes due? You'll notice underneath each of the assignments you will see the due date, in this case September 8th. Now, the content here, we're going to meet on the 9th and the 11th, that's the Monday and the Wednesday. So that means that the quiz is due on a Sunday before the actual content is covered in class. Now, one way that you can see this a little bit better, and I hope it comes up, yep, there it is. You'll notice if you go over to the calendar, you will be able to see when all the things that you have are due. Now over here on this little calendar on the side, you'll see a dot underneath each date that something is due, and then when you open up the calendar itself, you will be able to see what exactly is due, and that way you don't have to miss any of the dates. So one more time, under the content, you will find the assignment guide, which will explain how to do every single assignment for the course. Under each appropriate week, you will get the quiz that covers all the content for the weeks, Monday and Wednesday. And then on certain Fridays, you are going to have Friday assignments, and they're going to be due as noted. So that about covers it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I will see you all next time. Take care.